ViDiUAV 1025 6500KV 5000KV is a high-performance brushless motor designed specifically for 2.53-inch Toothpick Cinewhoop FPV racing drones. Featuring a 9 and 12P slot pole structure and high-temperature copper windings, it delivers powerful torque for effortless aerial maneuvers. ViDiUAV 1025 6500KV 5000KV to 3's ultra-lightweight brushless motor, the ultimate choice for FPV racing enthusiasts. Extreme performance, available in 6500KV and 5000KV options to cater to various flying styles. High KV offers blazing fast acceleration, while low KV provides stable flight. Ultra lightweight design, lightweight materials and a compact design, reduce drone load, extending flight time and improving agility. Efficient cooling, optimized motor structure enhances heat dissipation, prolonging motor lifespan. Precision craftsmanship, precision ensures rotor balance, resulting in smooth operation and low noise. Wide compatibility, compatible with most 2.53-inch FPV frames. For easy upgrades, ViDiUAV 1025 applications. FPV racing, high KV offers lightning fast speeds. For dominating the competition, freestyle flying, low KV provides stable flight. For enjoying leisurely aerial maneuvers, aerial photography, lightweight design reduces drone load. For enhanced flight stability, ViDiUAV 1025 empowers your FPV flights with unmatched power and performance. Dongguan VID is High Technology Co. Limited, is a professional manufacturer of high-quality drone components. Welcome to your purchase.